Hi, my name's Robert and I'm a trainer and technical expert for Tytan Professional. Today I'll show you step by step how to install glass mineral wool in an attic. Proper roof insulation reduces heat loss, lowers home heating costs, and protects the roof structure from moisture. Today we'll show you how to install glass mineral wool in a habitable attic. Glass wool has very good insulation parameters. With a much lower density than rock wool, it's also much more compressed, which means a much lower cost for the entire installation, easier and cheaper transport and storage, and faster, easier installation. In this video, we'll demonstrate the installation of Tytan Professional 33R glass mineral wool in a two-layer system. The first layer is 200 millimeters and the second layer is 50 millimeters. This will ensure the proper heat transfer coefficient. Let's go through the process step by step. Prepare the tools: a wool knife, a screwdriver, a hammer, a folding rule or tape measure, a straight edge, and a wool cutting mat. You'll also need string, nails, hangers, profiles, a vapor barrier, and tape to seal the vapor barrier. Before starting work, put on a mask, goggles, and gloves. There's a roof membrane on the outside, so the wool can fill the entire space without needing an air gap. Before applying the wool, check the condition of the rafters. Make sure they're dry and don't show any signs of mold or fungus or any mechanical damage. For a pitched roof, the best solution is two-layer insulation. Why? Two-layer insulation lets you fit the wool better, reducing thermal bridges as a result, and achieving the required heat transfer coefficient. Before laying the first layer of wool, install hangers at intervals of about 40 centimeters. For the second 5 centimeter layer of wool, the hangers should extend about 7 centimeters to maintain insulation continuity, behind the frame as well. First, measure the width of the space between the rafters. Next, unroll the wool so it can expand. Using a sharp knife, cut the wool to the rafter width plus 2 centimeters. Place the wool between the rafters and secure it using string. Install the profiles before laying the second layer of insulation. The first layer is ready. Now it's time for the second layer. A second layer is necessary to avoid thermal bridges and ensure the required thermal conductivity coefficient. This time, cut the wool in the roll to the width of the previously installed profiles, adding 2 centimeters. The next important step is laying a vapor barrier foil. The foil acts as a barrier for the moisture that naturally builds up in the room. In this case, we used a vapor barrier foil, Tytan Professional Olive. Correct installation of the foil is the basis of a well-protected partition. We install the foil with at least a 10 centimeter overlap on adjacent sheets. Then we tape the overlap areas to ensure a tight seal. And you're done. Now you can enjoy your properly installed roof insulation.